make this up, is a big well. I guess they thought because this is a big problem, they would call it that. I didn't make it up, but we need those funds.
Okay. Okay. And so, Mr. County Manager, Madam CFO and COO, can you speak to this funding? And what is the situation with this $2.46 million that the DA is saying she was supposed to receive? Is she going to receive it? Is there a, I mean, explain if you can, please.
And I would ask you, ask another question, if respectfully.
Yes, ma'am.
I'd ask that the chart that was sent by your representatives at those rates and those positions, if we are actually going to get that, or if we're going to keep going through this song and dance. If
I don't know of a chart, so you're going to have to tell us about that, because I don't know about a chart. I haven't received. Has anyone on this board received a chart of positions or something?
I'm sure they're aware of the chart.
Is there a chart, Mr. County Manager, that she's talking about that you can share with us?
I'm not sure exactly what chart she's referring to, but as we presented today, the budget for the court backlog reduction is now at 75 million versus 61. So it is fully allocated in terms of the resources that we have from the American Rescue Act. So now, I guess from a does she get it, I'll turn to Sharon, but now the process is that it's fully funded, the positions are allocated, and she has the ability to hire. But let me defer to Sharon.
Is this the sheet that you're speaking of that's coming?
Yes, Vice Chair Hall, that is the chart. These are the positions. Those were the rates of pay we were told. That was agreed upon. As you see, it is in writing, and I just want to make sure that it is honored, because I did 2 transactions and already there were problems.
So who told you that this was approved? Because I don't see, I'm looking for the county manager, the chief financial officer, and the COO at least to be on here, and Hakeem, our director of finance, but I don't see any of them on here. On this email, it's coming directly from Shay Alexander, who isn't Shay still just a contractor?
Yes.
So she told you that this was approved?
Yes, we met with Mr. Adams and Ms. Alexander. We did that for months. We wrote out the positions. They met not only with my office, they met with every justice partner. We worked out the things, and then we were sent that this is the list of how you are to do things. And so then we began to do things in that order. And as I told you, transaction 1 and 2, problems already. And so those immediate 1 and 2 have been resolved, but I can't do that for transactions. I've heard you all today talk about hiring for different projects. And what I have to tell you is I've been hiring for the last 6 months, and every time it is difficult. And so I want to assure that what we said was going to be done is going to be done the way it was outlined for us.